the guide for navigation, the guardian of safety, the brainpower of service robots. GMind X, Gausium new generation navigation engine. Developed to provide lifelong, reliable localization in changing environments. Based on Gausium's self-owned unique vision SLAM technology. Multimodal fusion, ensuring robust and precise mapping and localization. Wi-Fi positioning system, enabling floor identification and operator positioning for on-demand tasks. Providing automatic maintenance of the maps throughout the time the robot is working. Detecting static and dynamic obstacles from all directions in real time, rerouting autonomously. Powered by AI deep learning, identifying different types of obstacles and making advanced behavior decisions. Easy mapping and map editing via the touchscreen or the mobile app. No need to manually update the map upon each layout change. GMind X, significantly reducing the risk of positioning loss due to environmental changes. Providing robust, safe, and reliable localization for thousands of robot deployments around the world.